Hello my crafty friends, it's Tranae and I am back with my June flip through. Sorry I'm kind of late. I usually aim to get this done on like the last day of the month or either the first day of the new month, but I fell behind, so forgive me. I actually ended up doing like my tracking and everything in the planner I was using for May, and then I was like, I'll just transfer everything over later. Alright, so here is the planner. So this is a new planner for me. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. It was $29.99. I had a 40% off coupon. Hey, so it ended up being like $17, $18, something like that. All right, so as you can see, it's real cute. It's not the best quality, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It feels really cheap. It feels cheap. That's all I can say about it. But I did like the print. I don't see this as being a planner that will last like a long time. I think as time goes by, this is going to start peeling. So I probably use it for this month and, you know, maybe another month after that. And then I might turn it into like a photo album or something like that. So it don't have so much use in my bag because I throw everything in my bag. All right, so let's open this up, shall we? So I kept like the little pockets real simple this month. Nothing crazy. I just stuck my notepad in there. I even have like some of those little stickers under there. It came with this clip, so I stuck that on here. And this is a little die cut. I always like the little bunny. He's so awesome to me. This is the traveler's notebook that it came with in the kit, and I decorated the front. Let me zoom in a little bit. And I just stuck some stuff on there. I kept everything kind of simple, but I really did like this. And this project life card was from a Studio Calico kit, and I just threw it on there. Now you guys, I will be showing you how I made like all my little inserts and how everything came together later this week. I just did not have time to edit those videos, so I figured I'd do a quick flip through that requires 0 editing, and I will upload that so you guys can at least see what I created this month, so it won't end up being like the 6th or the 7th and I'm just not showing my planner. So here's the first page, and I have like these little to-dos stuck right here. This is my first time using this size insert with Cocoa Daisy, and I will say I wasn't feeling the calendar. To me, this calendar spread is too little. I would have rather them put something like a quote on this page and then like did the next page with a full spread so that we could have had a bigger box, because that is just too little. Like honestly, it'll be one of those things where I just look to reference what the date is, but to me, I don't see myself being able to fit anything in these little bitty squares. So I am going to do a future log on the next page where I just list all the dates, and then I can just add stuff like that. So this is a before the ink flip through, so I haven't put anything in here, but this is where my goals are going to go, and this is where the future log will go on this spread. And this is like a little bookmark that I made, and it just says today, and this came with the packaging. They have really great packaging, so I love that. And I cut some letters and put them up here, and that's like a little die cut. And I kept things simple. This is from last month or the month before last pages for the water. I think that's from April. Then I just added my little numbers. So I'll explain my layouts right quick. So I do like a focus 3 to 4 things a week that I just want to accomplish. And then from those like focus, I break them down into like manageable tasks. And I track like my time on what I'm doing throughout the day to accomplish those tasks and to ultimately complete that goal. I also have a section for like anybody I need to call or appointments, and then I track my water intake for the week, and this is like a little bookmark that I made so I can change that out, and it just sticks at the top. So each page, each week is kind of will have like this spread. Now I did leave 2 like spreads blank, because on this one I'm going to put down my GLAD techniques. And if you want to know what the GLAD technique is, I'll link it here. It is a method for journaling that help you cultivate more joy and reduce stress and worrying in your life. It is developed by a psychologist. I didn't develop it. I wish I did, but you know, you got to give credit where credit is due. It's one of those things I found out about when you know, I was in grad school, and I started using it with some of the clients that I was working with. And ultimately, whenever I'm doing like techniques with clients, I always do it first. And when I was doing my internship, I was doing it with some of my clients, and I did it, and it kind of stuck. So that's what this spread is for. This spread is for, I want to try to capture like different photos or like memories or just like quotes or anything that, you know, stuck out with me, that I want to make pretty, you know, like have a pretty layout. All right, so then we go to week 2, and I have my little tabbies on here. So that's week 2, and then, you know, everything pretty much follows the same format. And then this is my week 3. Then this is my week 4. So everything is pretty much the same. I just move things around a little bit. But ultimately, everything stays the same. And this is my week 5. So, as you can see, I have things set up and ready to go. So, the next insert is my Becoming Fab insert. And right now, this is blank. The pages are blank because I have to, you know, like draw out my editorial calendar and everything. I like using blank pages, honestly. And I think the next Cocoa Daisy kit I get, I might skip the, like, you know, the pretty, like, made with all the pretty papers. I might skip that and just get like a planner add-on kit, and then I can use my blank pages, because honestly, I like having blank pages and being able to just do whatever I want to on the canvas. But look at that front. How cute is this? Like, you gotta zoom in, because I put this on here and I like it. Crafters gonna craft. And y'all know this channel is all about crafting for joy, crafting to show kindness, and crafting because you love it. Which is the same thing as joy, right? But I really did love the way this like layout came out. And it was actually glue boogers, no. It was created based on a design from Sherry Carroll, because all of this came from a Simon Says stamp kit, and I got to play with it. And I recreated her design using like different papers and everything. Of course, I just used her layout as a sketch, and then I came up with, you know, my own papers and whatnot. All right, so that's that insert. So next we have my fitness book, and this is going to be my fitness book for like months to come, not just for this month. And what I really love about it is that it has a pocket. Like, this is a pocket. I can put those stuff in there if I want to. So that made me really happy. And I have stickers that go in here that I created. I just gotta stick them in there. But I wanted to show this before. You'll get to see like the stickers and everything when at the end of the month, when I show you like after the ink, or like my final flip through of my planner. You'll get to see it then. But you know, it is what it is. And you'll also get to see how I created like the fronts and everything. So here we go. The last insert that's on like these little binder things, and this is for my book of the month. This month I'm reading Primary Greatness, and I want to use this little insert to take notes. I've already started the book. Now I just got to add my notes. And then last but not least, and this one is stuck in the back because I need it to be I need to be able to remove it. But this is my insert for work notes, and I wanted it to be like this because you know, I can just snatch it out. And as you can see, I kept it really simple. It just say notes. And that's it. As you guys know, I'm starting a new job. I got a promotion, so I got a feeling I'm gonna be taking a lot of notes in the upcoming weeks, because I start in my new position on the 11th. Yay! And I will, you know, have to go through training for learning the roles and the responsibilities that I have now. And I'm gonna use this to take notes. All right, so that is the flip through of my planner for this month. As you can see, it is thick. It is thick, y'all. But honestly, I like it. To me, it's not as thick as like some I've seen. And it's about the same thickness as this one. And to me, this one didn't have that much, but because this is the one I use for May, but because this one had that ring bound system, to me, they take up so much room. I am happy to be back in like a traveler's notebook type style, because I love being able to like lay out the spread and be able to write without having that dang ring binder in my way. All right, you guys, so that is it for me today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification button so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. Yes! I don't know why I had to add that in. Just being silly. But you guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. And thumbs up the video. I almost forgot. Thumbs it up, share it, thumb it up, share it, thumb it up, share it. And don't hold on to knowledge. Share it with your crafty friend. That's it for me today, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.